How you doing, guys? And welcome to another episode. And in this episode, I'm working on the Subaru Impreza because I already showed you guys how to do the oil change. And if you haven't checked that video, I'm gonna put the link on the description. I did an oil change before on this one, so I'm not gonna go in detail. The only thing that I wanna touch in this video is maintenance on your vehicle. Remember, in these Subarus, in the cap says that you can use 5W30. If you can see there, this is a full synthetic 5W30, but you know that these vehicles like to eat a lot of gas. They're not very economic. They're really fun to drive, but they're not economic. In case that you want to change your oil and you don't know what oil you're supposed to use, obviously in the cap says 5W30, but you can use 5W30 on winter when it's cold. When it gets really hot, if you want to protect your engine, you can use either 1030, 1040, 1050, even 2040 or 20W50. You can use any of those oils. In this case, it's not really hot yet to get some very good mileage on your gas. But when it's hot, if you want to protect your engine, you can use even 2050. But do your research. I'm just trying to show you here what you should do. I mean, do your own research in case that you're not sure about it. In this case, I'm still gonna use 5W30, but it's full synthetic, so I don't have any problems with it. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna use some fuel system cleaner, and I'm gonna change my air filter. If you wanna do a complete maintenance on your vehicle, fuel system cleaner, oil change, air filter. If you haven't replaced your cabin air filter, it's a good time to replace it. I'm gonna put the link on that video in the description so you can check that out in case you wanted to do it. And I'm gonna put a couple more links. I did the spark plugs, I did the PCV valve, I did a complete in detail maintenance on this vehicle. I've been changing pretty much everything on this vehicle. So this is just a little reminder of what you need to do if you want to replace your oil filter and do all the maintenance. Tools that you're gonna need: ratchet, couple sockets, and you're gonna need your oil filter removing tool. As you see, guys, took me like 15 minutes. Remove the oil, remove the filter, air filter, fuel system cleaner, and we did the complete care on it. So I just gotta go fill it up. So guys, that's it for this video, and everything that you see in this video I pay for it with my own money. This video is not sponsored, so for those companies, you're welcome. And guys, I hope you like this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, giveaway April 7th. I'm gonna announce the winner for the LEDs that I removed from this vehicle, the 9005 LEDs. Remember, you still have time. Subscribe, uh, share that video. I'm gonna put the link on the description for that video so you can watch it, share that video, comment on that video, and be subscribed, and you can win those LEDs. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.